Hello, welcome to my YouTube video. This is my official second YouTube video, but this is my second YouTube video, not short. Now, welcome. So, today I'm going to show you how to make my character in Freeform, and at the end of the video, you're able to change it however you want, but it might not be exact. So, in my last video, I showed you about this app called Freeform. So I'm gonna show you how to make it in Freeform. But if you don't have Freeform, then that means that you have to download it. But if your iPad or iPhone is not up to date, then you're not gonna be able to get it, and you have to update it. So look, we have this character right here. I made it about with some circles, with a few circles, and all these lines right here. So let me show you. First, select object, and then I'll select this whole thing, and then I hold it, and then it'll go over here, and then move it to somewhere else. Nah, I don't care. Okay, so like, look, here's this, and then after that, I'm gonna take these apart by ungrouping them, and also ungroup these two, and I will also ungroup this. And I don't think there's anything else I need to ungroup. Yeah, that's it. Nothing else. No, I'm gonna take apart all of these objects to show you what I have. I have a bunch of lines, and also a little bit more lines, and then a few dots, and then here's this right here, and this is also here. Here's two eyes, and then so here's the neck. This is 55 pt long, and the rest of them is 35 pt long. So look for take one line, make it 35 pt long, and then place it on top of them, and then tap it 2 times, and then tap select objects, and then put them like this, and then select both of them, all three of them, the two dots and the line, and then tap the three squares, and then tap group, and now it's grouped together. See? Now after that, you take this, and then you take white. You take one black circle, and then take two white circles, and place them like this. Place the two white circles in the middle, like this. Then after that, group the two white circles together. But then deselect the black circle, and then tap done. 3 squares, group. And after that, group the black square and the two white squares together. And then group. I just realized that's a square. Then take your 15 pt long, and then after that, connect it to here. And then after that, take 35 pt, place it right here. Where is it? No, not there. No, okay. You may have to move your head a little bit. No, not there. Okay, just place it on top of here. Place this also on top of here. Place this right here, and place this right here. And now with this, you can decorate your stickman however you want. You can make it differently, like change the size of it, maybe even the PT, maybe the size of the circle, accessories, clothes, color, anything. Okay, bye.